Breathe. Again, your body just adjust it if you're going to get into a little bit different pressure. So I kind of go softer, medium, and then deeper as I go each time. And you're going to be able to sometimes feel that muscle move from underneath you. As you're pushing on it, it kind of is talking to you. And so it's kind of jumping around a little bit underneath you, it's vibrating. Partly what we're doing in here is helping that muscle stretch a little bit, bringing blood to the muscle. Okay. Now we're going to get into beating, pounding. Not so hard around the knee. Okay, meaty area of the leg has the best area for this to do. Right on to the bone isn't the best. You go lightly there. Okay, and then we're going to get into thumb kneading. And we're going to work again with the knee. Breathe. So every time I find a tight area, I do ask my client to breathe because I want to press in there. And as they breathe, I can work it a little bit more. If they don't do the deep breathing, it's actually a little harder for me to get in. Okay, and then I'm going to work down into the front of the calf. Warm it up. And then we're going to get into a supported elbow glide. So I'm just running along right in here with my elbow. And you can also do the other side too. And then again, I like to finish into a effleurage. And then you can do the same thing on the other leg.